Now, it's time to go with numbers. Fine. Numbers play very, very vital role in our day-to-day life. So whether you have to count things or count money, say time, of course, for everything, yes, you need numbers. Without numbers, your day will not go. So let's start with numbers now. The heading numbers is le nombre. Again, it is Nombre. In English, it is BER. In French, it is BRE. So almost similar. So you will not find much difficulty in learning these spellings. Fine. Almost 30 to 40% of vocabulary are similar to English, or a couple of them are same like English. Fine. Then let's start with 0. First, let's practice 0 to 10. Then we'll go step by step. Now I'll just tell you the spelling from 0 to 10. Zero. It's not a zero. 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 An. It's not an, a. It's an. It's a nasal pronunciation. The. Here you have two letters silent. The spelling is D-E-U-X, but we are pronouncing only D-E. That's it. Then throa. S is silent here. It's not thrice. It's not throas. Throa. That's it. Quatre. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. This. Okay? I'll repeat once again. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. This. 10 numbers. Well, so again you have to practice. There's nothing like, there's no logic because these all are just vocabulary. You literally have to practice. Number 6, it's same like English. You have S-I-X, but it's pronounced as 6. That's it. You're not pronouncing it as 6. It is only C or sis. Okay. And 10 is also, it is D-I-X. They are similar. They have similar spelling. That's it. S-I-X, D-I-X. Remaining all, of course, except 0, you have to practice every other number spelling. Now, let's start from 11 to 20. The numbers from 11 to 20. 11 is onze. Onze. 12, douze. 13, treize. 14, quatorze. 15, quinze. 16, seize. 17, dix-sept. 18, dix-huit. 19, dix-neuf. And 20 is 20. Remember, it's only 20. Again, here for 20, the last two letters are silent. G, T are silent. We are only pronouncing V-I-N. That's it. So, I'll repeat once again from 11 to 20. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, 20. This is up to 20. To tell you, if you practice numbers from 0 to 20, the remaining numbers are damn easy for you. You hardly have to practice. You literally don't have to practice at all. Automatically it will come. Because, like the way we say in English, what are we saying after 20? We're saying 21. So you already know what is 1 in French. So again, you're coming back and you're using the same 1 to 9 set. For example, you know 20. To that, you will have to add 1. It becomes 21. If you add 2, it becomes 22. Simple as that. So from here onwards, you only have to learn or you only have to know the round figures like what is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and of course you already know 100. It is CENT. That's it. We're done with numbers up to 100. So if you know numbers up to 20, you can write numbers up to 100 and of course even further also infinitive you can write. 200, 300. Then you have to know only what is 1000. If you know 1000, again you can just go in the same flow. That's it. Okay. There are just a couple of simple things that I have to tell you when we continue from 21. So in French, 21, all plus ones. Okay. 21, 31, 41, 51. all these plus ones, they take an extra word which is et while writing. Of course, while pronouncing as well. Fine. So, et means and. So, what are we saying? We are saying 20 and 1. Then continue with 22, 23, 24, 25. Goes on like that. So, 21 spelling, the spelling of 21 is going to be V-I-N-G-T, va, hyphen, et, hyphen, un. So, when you're pronouncing it, you pronounce it like vanteya. This, you get a different pronunciation for this, and there is a rule for that. Again, here we are following pronunciation rule. Okay, vanteya. So, in this place, we are pronouncing T in the word va. That's it. Okay. So, I'll tell you again what is the reason for that. Certain times we have to pronounce the silent, the consonant letters at the end, and sometimes they are silent. So, you will get to know about that in the later classes. Fine. Now, I'll just read out from 21 to 29. Then, obviously, after that, from 30 onwards, I will just tell you the round figures. You can easily do the remaining numbers. That's it. Fine. So, from 21, okay, let's start from 20. Van, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then comes 30. So for 30, obviously, we will have a different word. That is thront. Again, you have to go on a same flow. What is 31? 31. Then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then comes the new word for 40. 40, it is 40. 40. Then, now you have to tell me 41 to 49. Okay, so it's your work because I don't need to repeat again because it's going to be the same. Then comes 50 is 50. 50. Okay, then 60 is 60. 60. Fine. So up to 60, you can go in the same flow. What is the flow that I'm talking about is take the round figure, then add et to plus 1, which is like vanteya, thronteya, like that. Then when you're continuing, continue with the round figure and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. So this set 1 plus 9, okay, then again comes to the next round figure, then again 1 plus 9, 1 to 9, then again the next round figure goes on like that up to 60. Why am I saying it as up to 60? Because after that, the procedure, the order is slightly changing. Okay, let's talk about what happens after 60. So, after 60 also, yes, 61 is 61, 62, 63, up to 69 becomes the same thing. When it comes to 70, there is no unique word like this, like 40, 50, 60, you have a separate word. But when it comes to 70, it is 70, which means 60 plus 10. Fine. So, for 70, we are saying 60 and 10 instead of having a separate word. Since we are saying 60 and 10 for 70, when it continues with 11, you have to say 60 and 11. Because it becomes too lengthy if you say 60 and 10 and 1. No, it doesn't exist in French. You cannot say 78. No. So, 71 becomes 60 and 11, which means 71. 60, then et, which is the same rule for all plus ones, you are adding et. 60, et, then ons. So, 71 to 79, this set takes 11 to 19 instead of 1 to 9. Because if you use 1 to 9, that becomes 61, 69. For the same 60, if you use 11 to 19, that becomes 71 to 79. That's it. Well, so now I will read out 71 to, let's take it from 70. Now I will read out from 70 to 79. 70, 71, 72, 73, 60 14, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Okay. Then comes 80. 80 is also a unique word. I can say it's a compound word. Okay, it's a compound word, I should say, which means we are saying 4 20s. What is 4 in French? 4. What is 20 in French? 20. Both together becomes 80. So we are saying 4 20s. 4 20s are 80. So we're doing a maths here. Okay. So this is 4 20. 4 is 80. One thing to remember here, 4 comes with S. So when you are writing it, you have to write the spelling of 4, then write the spelling of 20 and add S. Okay. But when it continues with 81, we will not write S. 80. And for 81 and 91, we do not add ET. Okay. So that's how it is formulated. That's it. So there's nothing like why it is there, why it is not there. So the format is like that. That's it. Fine. So we are saying 80. 80 is 80. Then directly you will write UN without writing ET. Okay. So 80. Again you are coming back to 1 to 9 here when it comes to 80. So 80, 81, 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Then again comes 90. So like 70, again for 90 there is no unique word. So you will have to say just plus 10, which becomes 80 this. Then what happens to 91? Again, like the set of 71 to 79, you will have to take 11 to 19. So, 81 11, 82 83, 94, 95. This is the set of 91 to 95, what I said just now. Okay. So, it continues like that. So, hope I'm not very fast in teaching. So, yes, if you have any doubts or anything, you can just write in the comments. Definitely, we will get back to you if there is any doubt. Alright. So, just to summarize the numbers, before that, I will just tell you what is 100. Of course, as I told you, 80, up to 80 I told you, which is 95. So, it continues like that. 80 says 96, 80 this set 97, 80 this width 98. 80 this nerve 99 and song is 100. Song. Right? Well, to summarize the numbers completely at one go, I'll just tell you a few things to remember so that you don't get confused. 0 to 20 is something you literally have to by heart. Write it at least for 4 to 5 times. If you're not getting the spellings, write it for 10 times, no problem. Become kindergarten students, that's fine. Fine. Then after 20, as I told you, what are we doing? We are just saying 20 and 1, which is 21. Then comes with 22. So you're using the set of 1 to 9 for 21 to 29. Then comes 30, a new word. Again, a set of 1 to 9 along with 30. So 31 to 39 done. 40, new word. Again, 41 to 49. 50, you are getting a new word. 51 to 59. 60, again you are getting a new word, 61 to 69. This is the set. So that, it goes in a flow. But from 70 you don't have a unique word. So what are we saying? 60 and 10. So 71 to 79 takes the set of 11 to 19 instead of 1 to 9. Remember it like that. Then when it comes to 80 again takes 1 to 9. But plus 1, it won't take ET. For 81 and 91, we do not add ET for plus ones. Up to 70 only, we add ET. This is one point you have to remember. Then, the second one is, the number 80 takes S when you are writing. 80. And this is the only word where you write S with VA. When it continues with 81 also, you won't write S. When you are writing only 20 also, you won't write S. So only when you are writing 80 as in a round figure, that is when you write VA with S in the spelling. So this helps you in the exams. If you are writing any academic exam for school, intermediate degree or any other exam, yes. So the spellings are considered. Fine. Then after 81 to 89, again for 90, you have a, what are we saying? Do you have a unit word? No. Right? You are saying 80 plus 10. So since you are saying 80 plus 10, you have to continue with 11 again. So 11 to 19, 80, 11 to 19 becomes 91 to 99. Fine. This is the set. It goes in a flow. Fine. So we are done up to numbers 100.